Ooh, la, la, la. So now what we need to see, if we are to continue going up, then it has to do something like this, guys. At least we get a break of structure. Then maybe we can continue going up. But the market is just playing around, not doing anything right now. No music on TikTok. We can't hear it. Oh. Yeah, they can't hear it on TikTok. We can't hear it. Please, it's coming. You can't hear it. Your voice on TikTok. Use your voice on TikTok. Can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? Oh no. What's going on? I don't know. Okay. Everything looks okay. Can you hear now? Can you guys hear that? Yes, I can hear myself. I can hear the music, yes. But I can also hear myself. No, I can't hear anything. Oh, you can't hear. I can, but it's this is out. Yeah. No, it's not. It was okay. It was okay. And just the music now. Listen to the music. Is it good? Good. It's back.
See the profit, they don't see the plan. Very good tick. We global now, watch. Oh, 1 o'clock, London waking up. I don't look at luck, I just fill the cup. Facts. Candles moving steady, yeah, the trend is my friend. Identify the setup, I don't follow no trend. 5-minute OLB, yeah, the range is the key. I see what they don't see, the mirage is for me. Bulls in the building, but the bears wanna bite. I got the order block waiting, yeah, I'm winning the fight. FEG field, yeah, the gap is closed. The FEG field, yeah, the true disposed. From the slums to the charts, now we're breaking the ceiling. Pips in the bank, yeah, you know.
Yeah, you know the feeling. Somebody's asking, just explain why you could not buy when the ORB strategy broke upwards, please. Are you seeing why you couldn't buy? Are you seeing? Are you seeing why? Look, there was a break here, and then we didn't get 50% retracement of that breakout candle. There was a fair value gap, and then this market just came in to fill in the whole of that fair value gap. So we were supposed to get 50% retracement on the next candle, but we literally got a CRT. And you know what CRT does? CRT just goes to the other side. You will end up hitting my...
We have looks back. Like reload arm is out. It's repulsing. Mashing.
Yeah. Man, the internet is crazy. You can't hear the music now? This is the reason why I did not buy. Because the strategy says on the breakout candle, you need to get 50% retracement of the same candle. And then get a rejection of that candle facing up. Let me show you here. Let me show you here, for example. You see this? Mirage. You see this? This was the breakout candle. We had a retracement back to this. It didn't do 50%, but it did retrace. So now our entry would have been on this zone here. After this rejection, our entry would have been here. The stop loss here. But now look at this. What it did. It closed with an inverted hammer. And that basically means the market is rejecting on the downside. That's why we didn't take the buy.
See, emotional.
Yeah, you're crazy.
And I will get the deep, you in the ass. Do not miss. Say my emotional.
Profits about losses.
Yeah.
Did you get that? Did you get that, guys? That is the reason why we didn't buy. The worst market.
And that.
Yeah, Ben. Yeah. Mondays are crazy. We should actually make it. Yes. Okay, so now let's get some little bit of Monday motivation, Monday nuggets. So last time we discussed about ICC, and it's important that you guys understand what ICC is, because that is what we're going to be trading mostly. And it's very, very important that we discuss it in details so that you people can be able to understand. So ICC simply means indication, correction, and continuation. And we are looking at a trending market. Like, for example, you can see this is a trending mark. Oh my God, it's gone again. Okay, we're back. So this is a trending market, and it's on an uptrend. That's the most recent low, most recent high. And then we had a retracement, which is also called a correction. then most recent low, and then most recent high. Then we had another. Please don't do it on method. Aye. It will die. Just leave it. Most recent low, most recent high, and then most recent low, then most recent high. That is what ICC is all about. Now, something else that we added onto this is the Fibonacci retracement tool. And we said for you to be able to understand the zones in which the market is going to retrace to, is important to use the Fibonacci. You plot it from the low all the way to the high. And then these are the areas that we're looking to see. Number one is going to be the 50% retracement. And then number two is going to be the OTE, which is between 618 and 79. So now when the market finds its way back to this area, then now you can look for an entry for a buy. That's what in ICC is all about. And the easiest place to target is the most recent high or the most recent low, simply because the least the market can do is give us a double top before it reverses. That's the least the market can do. Give us a double bottom or a double top before it reverses. Okay, so that is how you trade the ICC. This is something that we discussed about last time. Let's look at a few candle examples, a few examples in the market. Most recent low, most recent high. Fibonacci retracement from the low to the high. And you can see this market tapped into the 50% and 618. That was the entry for a long on this candle. The stop loss slightly below there. Targeting the most recent high. You can see TP was hit here. Let's look for another one. So now, the current one, this is our most recent low. Most recent low, this is 5 minutes time frame, most recent high. Fibonacci retracement tool from the low to the high. And you can see the market retraced to the OTE. So we are targeting the high. That is how you trade it. That is how you trade it. That is how you trade it. I think we should also change it. Like, we'll discuss about that. We should change the time event because we can't be doing anything like this. Your London session. Guys, London session is, this is the simplest of all the strategy. Yes, the simplest of all the strategy. It is the simplest of all the strategy, but it needs a lot of patience. It needs a lot of patience because you have to wait for the market to give you exactly what it wants to give you, to come to your zone. Wait for the market to come to you before you can do anything. Like for example, here, this is BTC. Look at this. This This is BTC. It has retraced where I had marked, and now it's pushing up. So now, if this is BTC, this is your most recent low, and then this is your most recent high. So what are we looking for? We are looking for that level of retracement using the Fibonacci retracement tool to trace from the low, the high, and then you can see this market tapped into the 618. 618. So the long was on this candle here. The stop loss slightly below that zone. And now you're just targeting the high like that. That is as simple as it is. See? That is how it is. As simple as that. It's one. That is also something I've been thinking about. Like, I don't know if we should really trust them, because the brokers are also taking part in the manipulation of this market. They're also taking part in the manipulation of this market. So that is also something that we need to be very careful with, or else we could be thinking that the market is there's a lot of manipulation in the market, but in real sense, it's actually the brokers that are taking advantage of the war. So that is also something that we need to be very careful with. So that is also a trend that you can look at right now. This one is something that you can look at, line, and you just need to be careful with it, because the market can just do whatever it wants to do. Like, gold becomes crazy sometimes, and look at this. This is something else. Okay, so you need to be careful, because the broker can also play us a lot. Guys, I think we're going to end the live there. We have had a lot of issues with the internet and also electricity today, but I believe tomorrow is going to be a better day. So we're going to end the live here and then come back tomorrow so that we can be able to. But we're also going to discuss with Liam on the times in which we're going to be going live in order for us to give out maximum in everything that we need. So see you guys tomorrow. War is causing trouble all Wi-Fi. No. I said we had issues with Wi-Fi and not Wi-Fi, connection and electricity today, because most of it, you guys know me. By now we are supposed to have ended the live long time ago. Okay, long time ago. We normally end the live at 11, but now it's 17 minutes past 12. So we've been trying and doing so much. It's so twitchy. Yeah, we have had issues with our connection and electricity. So tomorrow we're going to be coming back better, and I hope you guys are going to be around so that we can look at the market together. See you tomorrow and have a nice day. Bye-bye.